Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song.
I love my white shoes. 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 I love my white shoes.
Oh, no. Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color did it turn his shoes?
Red!
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no! Red shoes. I love my 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 red.
Oh, no. Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Oh.
I love my blue shoes. 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 I love.
Oh, no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes?
Brown!
Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no! I love my brown shoes. 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 I love my brown.
Oh, no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away.
I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes.
The moral of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song, because it's all good. Moral of Pete's story. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet.
I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes.
When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says,
I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes.
shirt with 4. Pete the cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons.
My buttons, my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons.
Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song.
My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons.
I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no.
We keep on singing.
Christmas and "'Twas the day before Christmas, and Santa was ill. In the cold winter wind he had caught a bad chill. Will Christmas be canceled? Will it come to that? Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete the cat. I'll do it, said Pete, and although I am small, at Christmas we give, so I'll give it my all.
Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all.
Then the minibus flew, just like in a movie. Pete the cat cried, "This is totally groovy."
Give it your all. Give it your all. At Christmas we give, so give it your all.
Hip hip hooray for our friend Pete the cat.
But Pete's go marching.
Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, 4.
For Pete's go marching, bye bye one, hurrah, hurrah. For Pete's go marching, bye bye one, hurrah, hurrah. For Pete's go marching, bye bye one. Everything will stop the top. Coconut it all go marching down to the town. Looking at it on the rain, boom, boom, boom. For Pete's go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. For Pete's go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. Pete the cat presents 5 little pumpkins. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. And first one said, "Oh, my is getting late." And second one said, "They are witches in the air." Pete the Cat presents 5 Little Pumpkins. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh, mine is getting late." The second one said, Pete the Cat, 5 little pumpkins. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh, mine is getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." Third one said, "Let's run and run and run." The third one said, "Trick or treat!" We don't another winner light when the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. These? Pete the Cat, the wheels on the bus. The wheels on. Pete the Cat, the wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. Pete for cat. I love my white shoes. Created by our Lagoon. Art by James Dean. Pete
the cat, what are you doing?
Pete the cat was walking down the street. Pete the cat was walking down the street. All gone.
All done. These are icky.
It's yucky. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much, he sang this song. I love my white shoes. 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 Whoa, no. Pete stepped in a large pile of strawberries. What color? My shoes. My shoes. Red! To Pete cried. Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing your song. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red. Oh, no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color? Choose my shoes. Blue! To Pete cried. Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing your song. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color are my shoes? My shoes. Brown! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing your song. I love my brown shoes. 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 I love my brown. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown, and all the blue, and all, and wet is his carpet, wet. What the color of my shoes again? Why? How to get out wet? Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along and singing your song. I love my wet shoes. 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 And more of Pete's story is, no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song, because it's all good. Pete for Cats rocking in my school shoes. Created by Earl Goodwin. Art by James Dean. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? The library! Pete has never visited the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no! He finds a book on saying his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat. He's a big, noisy room. It's sitting on the table. Where is Pete? The lunchroom. He don't like missing the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds their friends on sings this song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. He plays. Friends are playing outside. He's a radio. He's a big swings towards the lights. Where is Pete? The playground. Gives in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds the swings on sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, keep saying this song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm riding in my school shoes. But school is done. Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks, "What'd you do of school today?" And Pete said, "I was riding in my school shoes. I was riding in my school shoes. I was riding in my school shoes. I was riding in my school shoes." I'll do it again tomorrow because it's all good. Pete for Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons, my 4 groovy buttons, pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped up and rolled away. How many buttons are left? 3! 1 minus 2 equals 3. Did Pete cry? God, no! Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing this song. My buttons, my 3 goofy buttons, my button, still have a belly button. I guess it simply goes to show, and stuff will come, and stuff will go. But do we cry? No. He keep on singing. 'Twas the day before Christmas, and Santa was ill, and in cold winter it shot. Beautiful day. He running so fast. He's the great in the cold winter shot. By Christmas can be canceled. It's called that. Never, cried Santa. Let's call Pete for Cat. Pete won in the neighborhood. At Christmas we give, and so give it my all. Give it draw. Give it draw. A Christmas we give, so give it draw. That a minibus flew, just like a movie. Pete for Cat cried, "It's just totally groovy." Give it draw. Give it draw. A Christmas we give, so give it draw. Hip, hip, hooray for our friend Pete for Cat.